AdvCash Bank stands out as one of the top electronic banks for use, particularly within Arab countries such as Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and other nations. It provides all its services to Arab users seamlessly and without any complications. This bank provides an excellent alternative to other electronic banks, such as Payeer, because its account activation process is much simpler. AdvCash can also be used to top up Payeer or the other way around using digital currencies. It stands as a powerful alternative to perfect money, providing superior services. In this video, we'll learn about the AdvCash Bank, explain how to use it, detail its most important services, and show you how to open and activate an AdvCash account, as well as fund it with a Visa card. AdvCash, or AdvCash, is one of the best online financial solution services. The bank offers extensive financial solutions and services for both individual and commercial users, providing numerous features and diverse methods for fund top-up and withdrawal, along with significant ease in conducting global transactions using digital currencies. AdvCash enables users to effortlessly pay, make purchases, and withdraw funds from any location. The bank operates under a license from the International Financial Services Commission. It has a long track record of diligently serving its users, consistently refining and expanding its service portfolio. Currently, it boasts an extensive suite of services designed to significantly streamline online interactions for its customers. Let's delve into some of these key offerings and how to utilize them. A distinct advantage of AdvCash is that registering and using your account is completely free. You can even use the account with certain restrictions without activating it, and it accepts documents issued by Arab countries for account activation. You can transfer currencies internally between AdvCash accounts. Its customer support is excellent, responding quickly to clients. The bank charges very low fees for your internal and external transactions. The bank provides Visa cards that you can order and receive in Arab countries. You can add money to your account by using bank cards or through a bank transfer. And you can utilize the bank with numerous currencies such as the dollar, euro, and pound sterling. Plus, this bank is easy to work with thanks to a simple and user-friendly interface. You can buy or sell digital currencies like Ripple and Bitcoin and withdraw your balance. There are also multiple ways to top up the account, using different types of Visa, bank transfer, or digital currencies. Go to the website, click on Sign Up, and enter your first name, last name, and email. It is recommended to enter a correct email address because changing it will be very difficult. Drag the slider to the right and click Register. Click on this arrow and select Security Settings. The most crucial step here is utilizing two-factor authentication. It is preferable to select the token method as it enables the use of a mobile application for two-factor authentication. Click on Confirm, then select Software Token. Any mobile application can be utilized for this. Scan the code and you will see a 6-digit authentication number. These 6 digits change every 60 seconds depending on the app. Enter the code and click Activate. The second step is to verify the account to enable deposits and withdrawals. Log into your account. The first step is to activate your mobile number. A code will be sent to your phone and you just need to enter it. Second, you'll need to activate your identity by taking a selfie and then uploading a photo of your identification, whether it's a personal ID card or your passport. It is preferable to use your passport. If your computer doesn't have a camera, you'll need to open the application through your mobile browser, since the bank currently doesn't have an Android or iOS application available. Then, tap and accept the option. This is the selfie method where you move your head. After that, click to approve camera access. To start the verification, move your head like this until the green circle is complete. Choose your document type, for example, a passport, upload a picture of it, and then click Next. Your account is now activated. To make a deposit, click on Deposit Funds. You have various options, such as Visa or MasterCard. There is a 3.5% fee for these transactions, and the deposit is processed instantly without any delays. The second option is a bank transfer, which has a fee of $1.1, and the deposit takes up to 3 business days. You can also deposit using digital currencies. Here are the available currencies, and the fee is 0%. There are no fees, and the transfer is confirmed following a set of confirmations that differ for each currency. Furthermore, you can deposit cash at the bank via an extensive network of agents. However, among Arab countries, agents are only available in the UAE. The last method is through trading platforms, which often have high transaction fees. To deposit using a Visa, enter the deposit amount and currency in this field, then click Deposit. The bank will notify you of several key requirements. The card needs to be a physical plastic card, not a virtual or temporary one. It must be in good standing, and your daily deposits cannot exceed $10,000. You are limited to a maximum of 3 cards for making a deposit, and these cards must be utilized within a 60-day period. Otherwise, your account may be subject to risk. There's an additional step to ensure the card is authentic and to guarantee that it has not been stolen. This will show your AdvCash wallet details, including the ID number, the amount, and a 3.5% commission. Then, click Continue and input your card details, including the number, expiration date, and CVV numbers. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Pay. The deposit will be completed, and your balance should reflect within minutes. To verify card ownership, you'll be prompted to upload a photo of the card. Here are some guidelines for the picture. It needs to be clear, have uniform colors, and be in JPG, JPEG, PDF, or HEIC format. The photo must not be modified in any manner. Here, it displays the initial and final digits of your card. For added security, you can obscure the numbers in between these digits by covering them with a piece of paper or protective tape. The photo was uploaded with paper covering the middle section. This step is specifically for Arab accounts. If they deposit funds using a European Visa card, verification will be required, and this process typically takes approximately 1 hour to complete. That's the balance we just deposited. In the currency exchange option. This applies if you want to convert euros to dollars, with the exchange occurring instantly and immediately. Choose the currency and the balance, then the currency you want to convert to, and the converted amount will be displayed. To transfer or withdraw funds from AdvCash, input the currency, the amount, and the wallet address for the withdrawal. The converted amount will then be shown. You also have the option to include a brief message with the transfer. There's an AdvCash card option available for transferring funds from your account to another person's AdvCash card. Enter the currency and amount, and similarly, the amount the recipient will get will be displayed. The fee for the transfer will be covered. There's also Visa card or MasterCard. You have the option to transfer to either a MasterCard or a Visa. Your card's balance needs to be in euros, and the minimum amount you can transfer is 5 euros. As for bank transfers, you have 2 choices. Either withdraw to an existing bank account within the single euro payments area with a commission of 5 euros or 0.5%, or withdraw to a local bank with a 0.5% fee. In both cases, you will be asked for an additional verification service to prove your address. There's also the option to transfer via email if the recipient doesn't have an AdvCash account. You can send an email transfer so they receive an account activation link for their AdvCash account, Once they log in, they will immediately see the transferred balance. Enter the currency, the desired amount, the recipient's name, and their email address, then proceed by clicking Continue. Another withdrawal method is by a cash withdrawal. If you are in one of these countries, you can visit a local agent's branch. Here is the agent's contact information to communicate with them and withdraw cash directly. Select the exchange option to transfer your balance from AdvCash to an account in a different bank. One of AdvCash's features is the ability to buy digital currencies by clicking on Buy Crypto, with the first option being via Binance. If you already have an account on the Binance platform, you can connect your AdvCash and Binance accounts, and any funds you earn will be seamlessly transferred to your wallet. Additionally, there's a wallet option available, enabling you to purchase various digital currencies directly using your existing AdvCash balance. Select the currency, the amount, and the quantity of Bitcoin, and it will show you the amount you will receive after the purchase. Upon clicking Continue, a confirmation link will be promptly sent to your email to finalize and verify the purchase. The last option is via Visa or MasterCard, where you can buy currencies with your Visa or MasterCard. Specify the balance you wish to use for your purchase, for instance, 1,000 euros. Then select the currency. This will display the amount of Ethereum you can acquire. You will then be prompted to provide your Ethereum wallet address and add a card for the transaction. The last is Sell Crypto. Here you can sell your balance of digital currencies. For example, enter the currency you want to sell and the amount. Choose the sale value in currency and it will show you the balance that will be added to your wallet. Then, click Sell. From the card option, click the plus sign. You will then see that the bank provides several cards you can request and have shipped to you. The available card types in your country will be clearly displayed. The card allows you to use it with crypto, then convert your balance to cash and withdraw it from ATM machines. Each card has unique features and fees, and the relevant information will be presented as follows. Crypto World Card with a conversion fee of 2.95%. The card is priced at $95, inclusive of shipping costs. It remains valid for a period of 4 years and incurs an annual fee of $60. To transfer the balance from an AdvCash account to the card, the fee is 2.95%. The transfer process typically takes 4 to 18 hours during working days. ATM withdrawal fees are less than 1%, and the maximum daily transaction limit is $3,000, with a monthly transaction limit of $300,000. In contrast, the Global Union Pay card has lower fees and is valid for 3 years. Fees are detailed here. Click Get Card to request it. Review your information and home address, and the card will be approved without needing an external shipping service or intermediary. You will need to upload a picture of the documents you previously submitted and a document to prove your address. Choose where to pay for the card and select free shipping. Once you receive the card, you must link it to your account. For specific usage fees, there are 2 account types with detailed charges listed here. Opening an account is free of charge, and transfers, deposits, and receiving funds are also free if the transfer is from one AdvCash account to another. However, if the transfer is from a Visa or MasterCard, there is a fee of 3.5%. These are the fees detailed for you. Share your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.